Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 2. In the last class we have revised after, before and in between, and today also we will do revision on the topic increasing and decreasing order. So first of all we will talk about increasing order. So what do you mean by increasing order? Increasing order means from small to big. Clear? Increasing order means from small to big, and decreasing order means big to small. So increasing order means small to big, and decreasing order means big to small. Clear? Clear or not? Increasing means small to big, and decreasing means big to small. See, increasing order. As you can see the picture of tree. Small, again small. So this is called increasing order, from smaller to the largest. As you can see the number also here, 1 2 3 4 means from the smallest to the largest, means from the smallest to the biggest. Clear student? This is called increasing order. Clear? Good. Now here decreasing order. Decreasing order means what? I told you just now, decreasing order means big to small. Big to small. Big, see here, the arrow is moving towards downside, means from the largest to the smallest number, means so decreasing order means big to small. See the arrow is moving towards downward south. Down means up to down, that means decreasing means big to small, and increasing means, see the arrow is moving upward direction, up, that means small to big. Clear student? Let's take one more. So number is written here, 2. Now you tell me, we have to arrange in what? Increasing order. So which apple will come first? This or this? Which one? Yes, first apple, that is this one. This apple. And the next? Yes, number 2 apple. Number 2 apple. 1, 2. And the last one, the biggest apple, is the last. Why? Because we are doing in increasing order. That means small to big. See the apple, size of the apple, smallest to the biggest. Clear? Have one tennis ball, then one cricket ball, then one football. So these 3 balls I have: tennis ball, cricket ball and football. So we have to arrange in decreasing order. So decreasing order means big to small. So which ball we will keep in the first? Yes, that is which ball? Football, then cricket ball, then tennis ball. Yes or no? Then tennis ball. So 3, 2, 1. Clear? Yes or no? So let's do question related to increasing order. So write the following in increasing order. In increasing order means small to big. So what we have to do? We have to find out the smallest number. So see your numbers: 5, 2, 4, 3, 8. So which one is the smallest? 2. Circle it. Then again, don't see this 2. Then again 3. Then comma 3. Then 4. Circle it. Then 5. And the last 8. Easy or not? Very easy. Now we have to find out the smallest number. See, smallest to the greatest. Clear? Number B. Here also same. So find out the smallest number: 12, 10, 9, 6, 1. Which one is the? Yes, 1. Circle it. Then 6. Good. Then 9. Then 10. Then Last is 12. Easy. Very easy. Yes or no? Good. So next, decreasing order. Write the following in decreasing order. Write the following in decreasing order. Decreasing order means here we have to find out what? Big to small. Okay, so see your number 3, 2, 7, 6, 9. Which one? Biggest number. Find out biggest. Don't confuse. Decreasing means big to small. So 9. Write it. Then 7. Then 6. Then 3. Then last is 2. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now it is correct. After writing, you count it how many numbers are there in question and in answer also. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and in answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, good. Nothing is left to write. Clear? Now here 19, 17, 18, 15 and 12. Which one is biggest? So 19, then 18, then 17, then 15, then 12. Done? See, biggest is decreasing order means big to small. Okay, have written. So don't be confused, student. Increasing means small to big and decreasing means big to small. Practice it at home very nicely. Okay, thank you.